Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joshua Malika. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing. As you can tell by the title, I have been. Before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. The links will be on the screen down below, all that jazz. Now, let me get into it. I've been fiending for these shoes. At first, I've always wanted Doc Martens. And then I saw them on Urban Outfitters. I saw the Jadon, however you pronounce them, boots. And I was like obsessed back in August. And then since then I've been fiending because I'm like, they're $170. And the most I've ever spent on shoes, honestly just happened this year, they were $100. Like the most. And these are the most I've ever spent. And I'm like, my heart is beating over it. But I got them anyway. And so yeah, I've been fiending, and then I ordered these shoes on Saturday and they just got here today and it's Thursday. And I've been, since I woke up this morning and I got the notification that they were out for delivery, I've been checking and updating the tracking non-stop. And as soon as I was about to leave the house, they got delivered and I'm so happy about it. So happy. So I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's just get into the video. Okay, so came in this big box right here. Is my address is on the other side. But yeah, this big box. So I'm gonna open it. I have some hair scissors. No, let's go like don't use scissors like this. This doesn't seem safe. Yet here I am. Packing stuff. Okay, put the box down. Well, let's put the scissors down. Well, shipping info. Ooh, my pop socket came in. It says girl power. How cute is this? I think this was $10. Obsessed. But here goes the box. Oh my goodness, I'm really happy. So these are the Doc Marten Jadon boots. Jadon. They're in black. I got them in a 9. That's the size shoe I wear. I wear a 9 or 10. But like all the reviews and stuff I saw on it, they were like vague. So it really wasn't helping me at all. So let's fingers crossed that I'll fit these. And they're $170, size 9, US size 9. And this is how the box looks when you first open it. Not all over the place. Turn this into a tape. There we go. They're so cute. Oh, are you fucking? Do you see? So these are like my first pair of boots. Because my last ones, they fell apart. Like literally, I was taking them off and the bottom of the shoe straight up ripped off. But so they look. They're platform. I really wanted platform boots, but yeah. So they're like nice and chunky, platform. The yellow stitching signature at the sides, zip, which is really what I wanted because yeah, it'll just be easier to get my foot in and out. Laces, super cute. So nice. Yeah. And honestly, I was so nervous about them looking like too big, which is honestly why I went with the 9, but like the 9 doesn't even look that big, and the 10 may be a little bit bigger. But these are so cute. They're really cold. They were in our car while I was in the dollar store with my mom. But so cute. Hold on, I have to like pose for my thumbnail. Alright, and I'm going to try them on. Luckily, since I was just outside, I own thick socks because it's cold out. So why not? So I'm going to try these on and hope they fit. Okay, so now I have the shoes on for about 20 minutes, and I've tried on different sock options and things of that nature. And so when I first tried it on, I tried it on with this thick sock. Like I was saying, it's not super thick, but it's thicker than what I would normally wear. And yeah, it's technically a boot sock. I got it from Walmart, but I like to wear these with Doc Martens, but that's not Doc Martens, but Birkenstocks. But yeah. So this is what I tried on, and then the other one I tried on with no sock, and it fit perfectly. It's just a little tight, like in the area right before you like get to your toes and stuff, in that area. But with this one, it was tight, like uncomfortable tight, like they were probably the wrong size. And then so yeah, so I tried on with no socks, and I was like, they fit perfectly. So then I tried it on with a thinner sock, like a sock that I wear pretty much every single day, and it's just this regular ankle sock. It's really thin, regular sock. I got it from Forever 21. I think I got like a pack of 6, and these fit just fine. It's just like a little snug, kind of like I need to break them in. So I think we have a fucking winner. I'm so happy. You'll see in the try-on clips that the area where the boot zips up at, that my feet kind of hang over because I have wide feet. So that was like honestly the main concern, not in terms of like how long the shoe would be for me, because a 9 will be just fine, or 8.5 honestly, or 8. It depends on the type of shoe, but since I have wide feet, I have to like go sizes up. And with the thin sock, it zipped up easily, like smoothly. With this thick sock, it was a struggle, but it got up. So, and then without the sock, it zips up just fine. So if you have wide feet, like, if you have wide feet, trust me, because I have wide feet. Like, putting on slip-on Vans, a struggle. I've bought shoes that were made for wide feet, and like they fit my foot like a regular foot, like a regular shoe. So if you have wide feet, these boots will fit you, so don't be concerned. You may, if you want to like have room, you may want to go a size up. The main reason why I did not is because all the reviews I watched and the ones I read, where it says if you go a size up, that'll be hard to break the boots in, or they won't get broken in at all, and so they'll just stay uncomfortable. But you also don't want to go too small, so that's why I went with the 9, because they don't have half sizes. Because if they had half sizes, a 9.5 would have been, if they had half sizes, a 9.5 would have been perfect for me, like so perfect. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys get these boots. They are so cute, and I can't wait to wear them with everything. Like, I've been, since as soon as I ordered boots, I started looking on Pinterest and stuff for outfit ideas, and I have so many, from the winter to the spring to the summer to the fall. I have so many outfits and I want to wear them all. That rhymed. Holla at your girl. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and also subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and come back tomorrow. I'll have another video for you guys up. And yeah, I'm so happy, like so happy. I don't think you guys understand. Bye.